Bash. Informal, a big party or celebration. To hit something hard. They threw a huge birthday bash for their best friend. He accidentally bashed his head on the low ceiling. Cap. A lie, something false, or not true. A type of hat that covers the head. A limit or maximum amount. He said he finished the work in 1 hour, but that's cap. He wore a red cap to protect himself from the sun. The company placed a cap on spending this year. Chuck out. To throw someone or something out, remove, or expel. I decided to chuck out all my old clothes I never wear. The teacher warned that she would chuck out anyone who kept talking. Cuffing season. A time in fall and winter when people want a boyfriend or girlfriend so they don't feel lonely. As winter approached, many people started dating because of cuffing season. He joked that cuffing season was the only reason he downloaded a dating app. Freebie. Something that is given for free, usually as a gift, sample, or bonus. The store gave away a freebie with every purchase. I got a cool freebie at the event yesterday. Ghost. To suddenly stop all communication with someone without explanation. The spirit of a dead person, often believed to appear to the living. He decided to ghost her after their last argument. They say a ghost appears in the old house at night. Gig. A job or work, usually short-term, temporary or freelance. A live performance by a musician or artist. He found a freelance writing gig online to earn extra money. She has a weekend gig singing at a local cafe. Gross. Very dirty, very unpleasant, or disgusting. Total amount before any deductions, like tax or expenses. The kitchen smelled gross after the food spoiled. The company reported a gross income of $1 million. Kickback. A bribe or illegal payment, usually given to someone for favor or contract. Informal, a relaxed gathering or small party. The official was arrested for accepting a kickback from the contractor. They organized a small kickback at home with close friends. Quack. To make the usual sound of a duck. A fake doctor or someone pretending to have medical knowledge. The duck began to quack loudly near the pond. Don't trust him. He's just a quack with no real medical knowledge. Rookie. A person who is new to a job, sport, or activity. A beginner. As a rookie, he made a few mistakes during his first week at work. The team's rookie player impressed everyone with his performance. Sack. To dismiss or fire someone from their job. A large bag. He was late every day, so the boss decided to sack him. The farmer filled a sack with fresh potatoes from the field. Side hustle. A small job or business you do in addition to your main job to earn extra money. She started a baking business as a side hustle to earn extra income. Driving for a ride-sharing app is a popular side hustle these days. Spam. Unwanted or junk messages, emails, or calls. My email inbox is full of spam messages every day. Be careful not to click on links in spam emails. Stash. To hide or store something secretly or safely. He decided to stash some money under his mattress for emergencies. She has a secret stash of chocolates in her drawer. Yap. To talk a lot, especially in a noisy or annoying way. He kept yapping on the phone, even when no one was listening. The little dog started to yap loudly at every passerby.